In this video, I want to talk about the additional details section of your Google Places account. We touched on it a little bit on the Google Places lesson, but what I want to do is I want to go more in depth and expand upon it to show you how you can beef up that section just a little bit more. So we're going to first of all go to your Google Places page, and I'm going to click Google Places for Business. I'm going to sign in. Okay, and then to edit the information I already have in there, I go down to this section here and click Edit. And the section that we are talking about, once again, is the additional details section. So far we've entered the brands carried, which is nice. Now there's a few more different things we can add in there. For example, he does offer some eco-friendly solutions when it comes to painting. He's got some specific paint brands that are low VOC and good for the environment, whatnot. So we're going to put in eco-friendly solutions, and then over here I'm going to put yes. We offer green brands. So that's an example of something you can do. Let's look at another example here. Let's say that he has a senior discount. Okay, so now you can see that we have another field for a discount there for seniors. And this is just additional info about your business that people may search for, and this will help you rank for that if they do search in a specific way. Now another thing you can do that might help is to paste external links to authority websites that have to do with your industry or the city that you're working in. So in this example, I am going to type in Kansas City visitor information. And then I'm going to go over to this, this is the Kansas City visitor site. And you can find the specific visitor site for your own city. Come back here, and we're going to paste that URL or that website into this, and it will show up as a live link when you publish your page or when you submit your page. And so I'm going to do this again. So that's my city information. And then another one I want to do is an association. So I want to do the PDCA. This is the Painters and Decorators Association. Paste that URL right here. The next one I'm going to do is a Wikipedia, because Wikipedia is definitely an authority site. It's a big website that Google and everybody else knows about. So this has to do with house painters and decorating in general. So I'm going to copy that. You would obviously find the Wikipedia page that has to do with your industry. I'm going to paste that in there. Okay. The idea behind doing this is to show Google that you are trying to give good, helpful information to your visitors in addition to just promoting your own company. In the long run, this will help your Google Places page rank higher. I also want to mention that there is a list on the Google Places user guide, and I will include a link to this below the video. In this Google Places user guide section, it gives you some ideas of what you can enter into the additional details section depending on the type of industry you're in. So here are some of the common ones that you can use according to Google. If it's a specific restaurant, if that's the business that you're in, here are some ideas you can use. You can put a menu in there, dress code. It'll just give you some ideas. Hotel, there's information on using it for a hotel. There's lots of information you can enter for a hotel. lawyer, retail, and then service businesses. So that should cover a lot of the different companies that are going to be setting up Google Places pages. And once again, I will have a link to this specific page so you can view this list below the video.